Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
Jolly Grant Airport, Dehradun, Uttarakhand, India. Haridwar. Haridwar, formerly Mayapuri, is a city and municipal corporation in the Haridwar district of Uttarakhand, India. With a population of 228,832 in 2011, it is the second largest city in the state and the largest in the district. By law, no meat, fish, or eggs are sold within the city. The city is situated on the right bank of the Ganges River, at the foothills of the Shivalik ranges. Haridwar lies in a Doab region where people speak Khari Boli. The other districts of Doab region lie in western Uttar Pradesh. Haridwar is regarded as a holy place for Hindus, hosting important religious events and serving as a gateway to several prominent places of worship. Most significant of the events is the Kumbh Mela, which is celebrated every 12 years in Haridwar. During the Haridwar Kumbh Mela, millions of pilgrims, devotees, and tourists congregate in Haridwar to perform ritualistic bathing on the banks of the Ganges to wash away their sins to attain moksha. History. In the scriptures, Haridwar has been variously mentioned as Kapilasthana, Gangadhara, and Mayapuri. It is also an entry point to the Chardham, the four main centers of pilgrimage in Uttarakhand, viz. Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, and Yamunotri. Gangadhar, Shiva bearing the descent of the Ganges river as Parvati and Bhagirtha, and the bull Nandi Lokon. Circa 1740. O Yudhishthir, the spot where Ganga Rushet passed, cleaving the foremost of mountains which is frequented by Gandharvas and Yakshas and Rakshasas and Apsaras, and inhabited by hunters and Kinnaris, is called Gangadwara, Haridwar. O king, Sanat Kumara regarded that spot visited by Brahmashis, as also the Tirth Kankhala, that is near to it, as sacred. The Mahabharat, Vana Parva, Tirthayatra Parva, section XC. In the Vana Parva of the Mahabharat, where sage Dhaumya tells Yudhishthir about the Tirths of India, Gangadhara, i.e. Haridwar and Kankhal, have been referred to. The text also mentions that sage Agastya did penance, an act showing sorrow or regret for sin, here, with the help of his wife, Lopamudra, the princess of Vidarbha. Sage Kapila is said to have an ashram here, giving it its ancient name, Kapila or Kapilasthana. The legendary king, Bhagirtha, the great-grandson of the Suryavansha king Sagra, an ancestor of Rama, is said to have brought the river Ganges down from heaven, through years of penance in Satya Yuga, for the salvation of 60,000 of his ancestors from the curse of the sage Kapila. This is a tradition continued by thousands of devout Hindus, who bring the ashes of their departed family members in hope of their salvation. Vishnu is said to have left his footprint on the stone that is set in the upper wall of Har Ki Pauri, where the Ganges touches it at all times. Haridwar came under the rule of the Maurya Empire, 322 to 185 BCE, and later under the Kushan Empire, c. 1-3 RD centuries. Archaeological findings have proved that terracotta culture dating between 1700 BCE and 1200 BCE existed in this region. First modern era written evidence of Haridwar is found in the accounts of a Chinese traveller, Yuan Zhang, who visited India in 629 CE. During the reign of King Harshavardhana, 590–647, records Haridwar as Movayulo, the remains of which still exist at Mayapur, a little to the south of the modern town. Among the ruins are a fort and 3 temples, decorated with broken stone sculptures, 20, 21, 22. He also mentions the presence of a temple, north of Movayulo called Gangadwara, gateway of the Ganges. Head of the Ganges Canal, Haridwar, ca 1894–1898. Haridwar from the opposite bank of the Ganges, 1866. Haridwar came under the rule of the Delhi Sultanate in 1206. The city also fell to the Central Asian conqueror Timur Lang, 1336 to 1405, on 13th January 1399.23. During his visit to Haridwar, first Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak, 1469 to 1539, bathed at Kushavarth Ghat, wherein the famous watering the crops episode took place. His visit is today commemorated by a Gurudwara, Gurudwara Nanakwara. According to Sikh Jan Masakhis, this visit took place on the Baisakhi day in 1504 CE. He later also visited Kankhal en route to Kotdwara in Gadhwal. Pandas of the Haridwar have been known to keep genealogy records of most of the Hindu population. Known as Vahis, these records are updated on each visit to the city and are a repository of vast family trees of the family in North India. In the 16th century, the city came under the rule of the Mughals. Ain Kabri, written by Abul Fazl in the 16th century during the reign of Mughal Emperor Akbar, refers to it as Maya, Mayapur, known as Haridwar on the Ganges, as 7 sacred cities of Hindus. It further mentions it is 18 kos, each approx 2 kilometers in length, and large numbers of pilgrims assemble on the 10th of Chaitra. It also mentions that during his travels and also while at home, Mughal Emperor Akbar drank water from the Ganges river, which he called the water of immortality. Special people were stationed at Sorun and later Haridwar to dispatch water in sealed jars to wherever he was stationed. During the Mughal period, there was mint for Akbar's copper coinage at Haridwar. It is said that Raja Man Singh of Amba laid that foundation of the present-day city of Haridwar and also renovated the ghats at Har Ki Pauri. After his death, his ashes are also said to have been immersed at Brahma Kund. Thomas Coryat, an English traveller, who visited the city in the reign of Emperor Jahangir, 1596 to 1627, mentions it as Haridwara, the capital of Shiva. Being one of the oldest living cities, Haridwar finds its mention in the ancient Hindu scriptures as it weaves through the life and time stretching from the period of the Buddha to the more recent British advent. Haridwar has a rich and ancient religious and cultural heritage. It still has many old havelis and mansions bearing exquisite murals and intricate stonework. One of the 2 major dams on the river Ganges, the Bhimgora, is situated here. Built in the 1840s, it diverts the waters of the Ganges to the upper Ganges Canal, which irrigated the surrounding lands. Though this caused severe deterioration to the Ganges water flow and is a major cause for the decay of the Ganges as an inland waterway, which till the 18th century was used heavily by the ships of the East India Company, and a town as high up as Tehri was considered a port city, the headworks of the Ganges Canal system is located in Haridwar. The upper Ganges Canal was opened in 1854 after the work began in April 1842, prompted by the famine of 1837-38. The unique feature of the canal is the half-kilometer-long aqueduct over the Solni River at Roorkee, which raises the canal 25 meters, 82 feet, above the original river. Haridwar as a part of the United Province, 1903. Haridwar Union Municipality was constituted in 1868, which included the then villages of Mayapur and Kankhal. Haridwar was first connected with railways via Luxor through branch line in 1886,